Welcome back to another Porsche Fanatic video. So, we went to the local drag strip, my 987S and the 981S from the previous video, and two 986s. We went down just to see how much faster the 981S is over my modified 987S. We did 3 runs with the 981 in Super Sport mode with launch control, then Sport mode, no launch, and Basic mode. The results surprised me and the owner of the 981 as well. Enjoy the video.
All right, ready.
And in case you're wondering, the red 986 survived. It was just the AOS.